Welcome to another episode of Drunk Apron. Do you like Skittles? If so, come take this journey with me and let's go taste the rainbow together.
Hey Becky, do you feel like going out drinking tonight?
Sure. Where do you want to go?
Let's go somewhere fun. Okay. Hey bartender, can you make us something fun and fruity? Thanks.
Let's skittle this thing up. We're gonna take some vanilla vodka, raspberry vodka, into the shot glass. Boom. We're gonna take some blueberry vodka, some orange vodka, into the shot glass. We're gonna take some citrus vodka, guess where? Into the shot glass. Now you got Skittle Rainbow Assortment. Take our Red Bull energy drink. Get a glass that can obviously fit the shot glass in it. Otherwise this is pointless. We're gonna fill this about right there. Oh, right there. Take a couple Skittles. Skittles. Guess where this is going? Into our Red Bull. Why? We just made a bomb. It's gonna make a mess. Ready? Boop. Cheers. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Click that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe. We'll see you next time. Drunk Apron, out.